Precision has always been the heart of fine woodworking, and few brands push that idea further than Woodpeckers. And in 2026, that tradition continues with a lineup of tools designed to make layout, joinery, and machine setup easier and more precise than ever before. So now, let's take a closer look at some of the new Woodpeckers tools that woodworkers will love in 2026. Assembly work often demands controlled striking rather than brute force, and that challenge led to the Woodpeckers Polycarbonate Mallets. Instead of metal or rubber, Woodpeckers engineers chose polycarbonate, the same thermoplastic used to protect fighter jet pilots since the 1960s. This material deforms slightly on impact without shattering, which makes it far more forgiving than a steel hammer, yet far more controlled than rubber mallets that tend to bounce. The density of polycarbonate packs impressive striking power into a compact head, while the balanced design keeps the tool comfortable in the hand and allows accurate placement of each strike. The heads come from CNC-turned solid polycarbonate in clear or black, purely a cosmetic choice. The handles use aircraft-grade aluminum finished in the signature Woodpeckers red, and inside the tool, a ribbed steel tenon runs nearly the full length of the mallet. Once epoxied together, the three components form a single solid tool that delivers controlled power exactly where it is needed. A table saw becomes far more capable when it has a precise miter gauge, and the Woodpeckers Indexable miter gauge delivers exactly that. This new Indexable design combines features from the Stealth Stop and Exact 90 miter gauges and adds several new improvements to create a fully featured replacement gauge at an attractive price. It begins with Woodpecker's patented miter bar, where leaf springs along the edge compensate for poorly machined or worn miter slots to maintain a snug and accurate fit. The protractor head includes precision machined indexing holes for the miter angles of common polygons, and for any custom angle, a new hairline reticle allows extremely accurate positioning. The fence graduations align perfectly with the new tool-free micro-adjustable flip stop, while the extension bar carries its own graduations, so measurements to the stop stay exact. At the end of the fence, a sacrificial block eliminates tear out and directs offcuts safely away from the blade. Altogether, these details create a major upgrade over most factory miter gauges, while still staying competitively priced. Accurate joinery begins with accurate layout, which explains the design philosophy behind the Woodpecker's wheel marking gauge. Instead of relying on a scratch-awl or traditional knife, this gauge uses a razor-sharp, ultra-thin circular blade that slices wood fibers cleanly and leaves a visible line less than 1/5 the width of a typical mechanical pencil mark. Because the line is actually a cut, it also creates physical registration for a chisel or saw. A stainless steel reference plate that is more than twice the size of most marking gauges keeps the tool steady against the workpiece, and a fine-threaded micro-adjustment system allows effortless control of the plate-to-blade distance. The ergonomic anodized aluminum body includes machined recesses that create a natural gripping point, while the round blade produces the same cut regardless of the angle at which the tool is held. The reference plate also features two mounting positions. The standard orientation provides maximum support along an edge, and a rotated 90-degree position offers better vertical support when marking narrow workpieces. For precise adjustment, the rear knob locks in place, and the knurled stainless steel barrel moves the fence 1/16 inch per full revolution, with even tiny adjustments measurable in fractions of a paper thickness. Completing a well-balanced chisel set requires a variety of sizes, and the Woodpeckers Bench Chisel Completer Set does exactly that. This 5-piece addition to the One-Time Tool Collector's Vault series expands the original 4-piece set with sizes of 1/8, 3/8, 16ths, 1 1/4, and 1 1/2 inches, along with a matching 5-position racket storage system. Each chisel pairs a carefully crafted blade from Blue Spruce Toolworks with a handle engineered by Woodpeckers to feel like a natural extension of the hand during paring, while remaining strong enough for demanding mallet work. The blades begin as A2 tool steel that receives double tempering and cryogenic treatment, followed by precision grinding and polishing. Their backs arrive perfectly flat with a mirror finish, while the bevel receives a finely prepared micro bevel that leaves the cutting edge surgically sharp right out of the box. The octagonal aircraft-grade aluminum handles provide excellent tactile control and prevent rolling on the bench. A stainless steel ferrule hides a set screw that allows the handle to detach in seconds, which simplifies sharpening or allows the user to install a custom handle design. A vibration-dampening buffer between the butt cap and handle ensures efficient transfer of mallet force directly to the cutting edge. Precise machine setup often depends on reliable reference angles, which makes the Woodpeckers stainless steel angle gauge blocks a valuable addition to any shop. These stainless steel blocks offer quick reference angles for setting tooling and fixtures with exceptional accuracy. One block provides 45 degrees and 90 degrees, while the second offers 30, 60, and 90 degrees. Each block receives careful milling and inspection within plus or minus 0.0085 degrees, which ensures dependable alignment during machine setup. Gauge block 225 also includes both inch and metric scales along its edges, ideal for setting blade, router bit, or drill depth. The 2 1/4 inch edges provide enough length for checking angles without interfering with guards or fences. The second block, GB369, measures 1 5/8 inches by 2 3/4 inches and features a longer leg that improves reference when adjusting bandsaw or scroll saw tables. Those angles also assist for layouts for hexagons and equilateral triangles, while the compact squares serve equally well for checking inside corners of small projects such as drawers or jewelry boxes. Cutting boards often benefit from a comfortable grip profile, and the Woodpeckers Ultra Shear V-Groove finger grip bits provide a clever solution. These router bits cut a V-shaped groove along straight or curved edges, and a ball-bearing pilot controls the depth to maintain consistent cuts on inside curves, outside curves, and straight edges. The lineup includes 3 sizes that cover boards from 3/4 inch to more than 2 inches thick. The smallest bit uses a 1/4 inch shank and offers a cutting height of 3/8 inch for boards between 3/4 and 1 1/4 inches thick. The middle version increases the cutting height to 9/16 inch, which suits boards from 1 to 1 1/2 inches. The largest bit features a 1/2 inch shank and reaches a maximum cutting height of 13/16 inch, which handles boards from 1 inch to over 2 inches thick. That large bit also includes 3 interchangeable bearings that provide cutting heights of 13/16, 9/16, and 7/16 inch, which effectively delivers 3 grip profiles in one tool. Each groove includes a gentle radius at the apex so residue cannot accumulate. Production relies on CNC grinding equipment, premium carbide, ultra-fine grinding wheels, and experienced machinists in Northeast Ohio, which results in American-made router bits offered at competitive prices by selling directly to the user. Few layout tools appear as simple yet prove as versatile as the combination square, and the Woodpeckers Indexable combination square takes that classic design to another level. This special annual release features a precision machined stainless steel head created on a made-to-order basis. Every surface reflects Woodpeckers' dedication to machining accuracy, with mirror-polished edges that contrast against satin-recessed areas and finely finished reference surfaces that make sighting along edges or machinery alignment easier. The square incorporates the patented Indexable system that allows scribing guides to work with virtually any marking device and to index from any full-inch mark on the blade. A retractable support holds the square firmly on the edge of stock and retracts when full edge contact becomes necessary. Each tool includes a wall-mountable racket holder and features the manufacturing date machine engraved into the head. Orders remain open only until the end of the ordering period, and production fills only those orders, which makes this square a limited annual release. Traditional box joint jigs often limit the pattern possibilities, but the Woodpeckers adjusted joint box joint sled expands those possibilities dramatically. This innovative sled uses a template system built around 62 steel spacers, each 1/8 inch thick, that arrange into nearly any pattern of pins and sockets imaginable. Unlike standard box joints that repeat identical spacing along the entire joint, this system allows thin pins beside wide sockets, gradually widening patterns toward the center, or even completely random layouts. Once one side of the joint is complete, rotating the template 180 degrees produces the matching pattern instantly. The sled does not require a dado blade either. A standard 1/8 inch kerf chisel tooth rip blade works well, while pairing the system with an ultra-shear flat-top grooving blade in 1/8, 3/16, or 1/4 inch kerf provides optimal results. Accuracy also benefits from Woodpecker's patented leaf spring miter bar that compensates for imperfect or worn miter slots. During operation, the workpiece remains clamped to the vertical table, which moves as a complete unit with the fence and clamps riding on ultra-low friction UHMW glide strips. This design maintains alignment and ensures repeatable cuts for complex joint layouts. Accurate layout around corners often proves difficult with standard tools, which explains the concept behind the Woodpeckers stainless steel folding saddle square. This collector's vault edition follows the earlier aluminum design, but uses stainless steel billets for greater durability and long-term appearance. The tool acts essentially as a straight edge with a hinge in the center. After machining and assembly, both halves return to the CNC mill for a final pass, so the two halves align perfectly within the same plane. This process ensures the square stays perfectly straight even when folded around a corner. The hinge receives careful tension adjustment that eliminates lateral play while maintaining smooth movement. As a result, the square wraps around edges and transfers layout lines accurately across adjoining surfaces, which greatly reduces the risk of tiny layout errors that later lead to poorly fitting joints. Measuring long distances with absolute confidence often becomes tricky in the workshop, and the Woodpeckers Calzilla woodworking rule solves that problem by combining a rule with caliper-style jaws. Calzilla attaches to woodworking rules using two simple machine screws, which converts the rule into a giant precision caliper capable of measurements up to 46 inches. The threaded holes required for mounting already exist in nearly every Woodpeckers woodworking rule except the 6-inch version, and their placement holds extremely tight tolerances so the fixed jaw aligns perfectly with the 0 point. The sliding jaw travels across the rule on low-friction UHMW glide strips, while a Delrin locking contact secures the position without damaging the anodized aluminum surface. The bundled rule includes metric graduations on one edge and inch graduations on the other, both starting from the same end. The inside measuring tips match the outside jaws precisely, which allows measurement of a stopped groove and immediate verification of the mating tongue length. Hole center attachments also come with the system and clamp onto the jaw tips to measure the exact center-to-center distance between holes. Setting up a dado blade normally requires frustrating trial and error. Yet the Woodpeckers Dado setup fixture paired with Woodpeckers gap gauges removes that guesswork entirely. The process begins with the gap gauge, which fits the stock destined for the dado and provides an exact reference for the required groove width. Instead of stacking blades and shims inside the table saw arbor, the Dado setup fixture allows assembly of the entire stack in the open. A large knurled knob tightens the stack just like an arbor nut, which holds the configuration securely while adjustments occur. The gap gauge then checks the assembled width, and any necessary changes happen quickly before the stack moves to the saw. Once the width matches the gauge perfectly, the completed stack transfers to the table saw, ready for accurate cutting without repeated test cuts.
Ever struggled to drill a perfectly straight hole? You're not alone. That's exactly why the Woodpeckers AutoLine Drill Guide exists. Think of it as a handheld, portable drill press. It keeps your drill bit perfectly perpendicular no matter where you're drilling. But it's not just about getting the angle right. The base and fence system make sure your hole lands exactly where you want it. It works with almost any cordless or corded drill, and the hex shank makes swapping it in and out a breeze. Built with precision in mind, it features tight tolerance bearings, a half-inch geared chuck, and Teflon bushings for smooth operation. You'll never have to worry about drilling depth either, thanks to its cleverly designed stop. Whether you're drilling straight or tackling tricky materials like round stock, this guide delivers both precision and ease wherever you need it. SF Pro Universal Router Table Fence. This fence is loaded with features that woodworkers have been asking for, including full fence micro adjustment and a mounting system that works with nearly any router table. If your table has track spacing from 16 3/4 to 27 7/8 inches, you are all set. Once it is in place, it stays locked down. What really makes it shine is the third micro adjuster in the center. It moves the entire fence with 0.001-inch precision, and because it rides on ball bearings, the fence stays perfectly aligned with no racking. Both the in-feed and out-feed sides are micro-adjustable, and the dials display both inch and metric measurements. You can fine-tune your cuts smoothly without messing up alignment. Adjustments are fast and tool-free thanks to the knurled knobs and ratcheting levers. If you've ever tried lining up dowels with a basic jig, you know how frustrating fixed spacing and tricky bushings can be. The Woodpeckers Camel Line Dowel Guide solves that problem with adjustable spacing, precision engraved center lines, and a sturdy fence system. You're not limited to preset distances. Just set it to match your material and drill. The jig works with 4 different guide bushings, and you can either choose a single size or go all in with the deluxe set, which includes all the bushings, stop extensions, and a wall-mounted racket. What really sets it apart is the speed and consistency. Once you lock in your spacing, you can create rows of perfectly aligned dowels without ever second-guessing yourself. It's a complete doweling system, ready for anything from simple edge-to-edge joints to complex panel assemblies. Let's kick things off with the Woodpeckers Duax Angled Drilling Table. This tool is a game changer for anyone who wants pinpoint accuracy when drilling at angles. It gives rock-solid support for drilling at any angle from 0 to 90 degrees. With stainless steel quadrants on both sides and super precise hinges at the ends, every job gets the stability it needs. The fully adjustable fence means you can set any angle, whether you need something perfectly parallel or dead square. Honestly, traditional drilling feels almost outdated with this tool. Wouldn't you agree?
So that's a wrap on some of the new Woodpeckers tools coming in 2026. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss our latest tips, reviews, and tool guides.